Hi everybody, coming to you with another short vlog today from Middlesex County, New Jersey. We're in East Brunswick, right on the border of South River, and we're here at Magnifico's Ice Cream. Now, very warm summer day, post-summer day, because it's Labor Day weekend.
It is Labor Day. Degrees.
It is 90-something degrees.
It's hot.
So we're definitely here for something cold.
Yeah.
And something special, something near and dear to our hearts that usually we can't get but one lonely place.
Yeah. Well, it's not really
Not lonely. It's a very happy place. In fact, it's one of the happiest places on Earth. We're getting Dole Whips. All right, success. We have Dole Whips. Now, they did have pineapple here.
Yours is tipping over.
Oh no!
As he was saying, they did have pineapple,
They did have pineapple.
but they're, I guess, out of pineapple today. So we
Or
got
maybe
orange.
they rotate their stock. So this is the orange Dole Whip, that's right, which you cannot get at Disney World anymore. You used to be able to.
Yeah, because now you just get the citrus swirl.
Right, because I want to promote Citrus Swirl. Dole Whip's still better, even in orange.
I was going to say,
Sorry, Orange Bird.
Sorry, all you citrus swirl fans, but I'm a citrus swirl hater.
Everyone's allowed. I mean, I'd eat Citrus Swirl. It's okay, but I'll pick a Dole Whip first. And
Oh, Dole Whip over that any day.
And the thing is, you know, some people like Citrus Swirls better, and everyone's entitled to their own wrong opinion. That's fine. Dad's here too. Hi, Dad.
Hey.
Hey, guys.
Now we're going to go somewhere cool because these are melting.
Yes. So we had our Dole Whips. We had them fairly quickly because they were
melting.
like just
Yeah.
just that fast. It was gone.
Right.
But they were delicious. And I still say that the orange Dole Whip still beats the Citrus Swirl.
Yes, I'd have to agree with that.
Yeah.
But again, I'm not a citrus swirl fan, so sorry. Sorry.
So we came to this park here to eat our Dole Whips, which we did. They're gone. And just looking around here, see, it's a tiny little park here in South River. And, you know, we've got some nice drone footage for you.
Yeah.
Of this little area. And you can see South River going from back there. And then it goes all the way up that way. That way. There's Dad there again.
Filming us, filming us.
Wait.
The vlog and the vlog.
It is. It's a vlog. It's a vlog. Something?
That makes my brain hurt.
Anyway, so the river goes that way. And it kind of like meanders off, but there's a canal, an old canal, called the Washington Canal, because everything has to be named after Washington.
Of course.
We've established this in other
He was the rock
places.
star of the Revolutionary War.
That's right. And so that connects to the Raritan, which then connects to the Raritan Bay, which connects to the Atlantic Ocean, New York Harbor. So this is actually a very historically important waterway for New Jersey.
We'll go with that.
It is.
Okay.
Once they built the canal to connect to the Raritan. So all the ports and everything, you can still see that there's some industry here, right across the way there, which historically they would be loading things on the ships. There's actually an old dock right, let's see, right over there. Trying to line it up in the video here. I don't know. Right there. I think that's it. Right there. And, you know, it's quite possible that they would have been loading things on and off of ships. This whole area is obviously kind of reclaimed. You can look how wrecked up it is a little. Some very old pipes and some iron rods, and behind us has kind of fallen in a bit. That's maybe result from Hurricane Sandy a few years back.
Maybe.
But not the rocks being broken, but the sinking in part would do it. Because this basically just came right up. This was, I don't know, the bridge back there. The bridge back behind Dez's head. There it is. Has a flood gauge there, and that was pretty much covered up when Sandy came through. And that was about it.
Just came through and wrecked everything.
Yeah. Here's a nasty
Storm.
Superstorm. I call it Stupid Storm.
Stupid Storm Sandy.
I just saw fish.
Oh.
Yeah. Fish.
They do live in water.
Generally. nice little excursion for our very, very hot day. We hope you enjoyed. Anyway, click like, subscribe, share, hit the notifications icon.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
That's right. All of the
All of the
social
things.
media things.
Meadle?
Neither of them. Blip. It's hot. Let's
It
go
is.
home.
We'll see you on our next adventure.